Hey guys, for this video, we're gonna learn about markup and markdown. So think about it when markup is the store gets an item and then they end up charging you more. So we're talking about that markup. The store, it costs $10 for the store to have it, to buy it, but they charge you $12. So the markup would be $2. And then the new price would be the $12. Or a markdown is like a sale price. So it costs $10 for the item and then you get a sale of $2, so your markdown would be your $2 and then your new price would be your $8. Again, you have to figure out that what percentage that is and all of that. But again, markup, you're going to add to it. So markdown, you're going to subtract. So for this one, Mr. Martin wants to buy a suit for work. He saw one at Macy's for $250. After Thanksgiving, the price of the suit is marked down by 35%. What is the markdown amount and the final selling price? So we're going to circle markdown because it is a markdown situation. And then we are going to find what 35% of 250 is. So 250 times, remember, write your percent as a decimal, 0.35. And that gets you $87.50. $87.50. So that's your markdown. So again, we're going to take our $250 and we're going to subtract the $87.50. It gives us $162.50. $162.50. So the new price would be $162.50. Again, that is 35% mark down. So we found out what 35% of our total was, and then we subtracted it because it was a markdown. So on the next one, it's going to be a markup. So for this one, Miss Rio, the store manager for Best Buy, doesn't know how much to price a refrigerator that costs $900. Miss Rio's boss tells her to mark it up 40%. So it costs them $900, you're marking it up 40%. So we're going to add to it. And what is the markup price and then the new selling price? So we're going to find our $900 times 0.40 or 0.4 for our 40%, and that gives us $360. So our markup is $360. So we're going to take our $900 plus our $360 for our markup, and we get $1,260. So that's what our new price of our refrigerator would be, including the markup. So go ahead and finish the front and the back of that worksheet, and then check the key.